Hello, Tibelkutos family. You're welcome once again to the channel. And I can see the improvement on the channel. Or more, the increase is the subscription is increasing gradually. It is because of you guys. Thank you so much. God bless you. In case you are watching or seeing my video for the very first time, please subscribe, click on the notification bell, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you, family. God bless you. So this video is going to be a very short one. I'm going to be showing us how to cut and sew this type of pocket. I don't know what it's called. I just like it's what I'm comfortable with most time when I'm cutting dresses, skirts, or sometimes I even use it for trousers. So I just want to show us the drafting is very simple and easy to draft, and the sewing process. Without further ado, let's get into the video. This pocket is simple and easy to draft. It's like a freehand method pocket. It's not just curved like the way I just curved my hand. The difference between this one that I just did and the one I'm about to do is you have to measure the pocket opening so that it won't be small or too big for your hand. And in measuring my pocket opening, I'll be using 7 inches. You can use 6 inches, you can use 8 inches. 7 inches is 18 centimeters, 8 inches is 20 centimeters. Once I've gotten my pocket opening, if you want, you can go inward to measure your depth, the depth of the pocket, how big you want your pocket to be. After getting this, you can use your tape rule to go round in a curvy way to curve out your pocket. But in this essence, I'm just going to be using my hand to curve out my pocket. And if you notice what I'm doing presently in the video, you can see the lower part of the pocket is more curvy than the upper part. The pocket tilted to the lower part of the pocket. Unlike this other one, this one has a pocket opening. That is just the major difference. The pocket opening will help you to know the width of your client's hand or of your hand. It won't be like it's too big for me or too small for me. If you want the depth of your pocket to go more inward, you will just tape it from the edge of your pocket opening. You curve your hand round your pocket shape. With this, you already have your seam allowance. You don't need to add any extra seam allowance to it. What I'm going to be doing next is to cut out pocket so we can see it properly. So this is what I have. I'm going to be cutting 4 pieces of this on my fabric. First thing I'll do is to fold the fabric into two in order to cut 2 pieces. Pin down, carefully pin it down. I will then take my fabric scissors to cut it out. I'm cutting the second round of piece that I'll be needing. Then I'll use my scissors to cut off the folded part to make it 4 pieces. This is what the pocket looks like. The next thing I'm going to be doing with this now is to sew this piece to the lower part of the wrap dress I posted. I have my pocket ready to be sewn in. So I'm going to take the lower part of the wrap dress, the wrap circular dress rather. I'm going to open it up at both sides of this lower part. That is where I'm going to be attaching the pocket. So I'll come down from the waist by 1.5 inches, which is 4 centimeters. Then I'll place the pocket piece the right of the pocket place to the right of the lower part of the dress. I'll place it carefully and pin it round. Then what I'll do next is to measure in a rectangular form 1 inch, 1 inch, which is 2.5 centimeters. This is where I'm going to be sewing on like so. I'll be doing the same thing for the other side of the pocket. Then take it to my sewing machine to sew it in. What I'm sewing right now is the 1 inch seam allowance I took out. This is what I have sewn in. I'm going to be doing this to the other side of the pocket too. Once I'm done sewing, what I'll do next is to notch at both edge of that angle like so that I'll be able to bring my pocket out in this form and shape. Once I'm done with that, I will iron it to smoothen it out. Then go ahead to top stitch on the edge of the pocket so that it will sit flat and beautiful. The pocket will not be moving anyhow at the edge. I will do the same thing for the other side. Then take the other piece of my pocket, that is the remaining two pieces of my pocket, put it along the edge, pin it round the edges together, trim off the excesses that I have. And what I will do is to go ahead also to sew it in, to sew both together. The pocket is gradually coming into place. This is what I have for the pocket. You can see the way it is. What I have gone to do is to secure the edges of my pocket with the weaving machine, and this is how the pocket is looking. The excess at that side of the pocket is my seam allowance. By the time I sew it in, the only thing you'll be seeing is the opening of the pocket. You won't be seeing the excesses that you have. So I just feel like putting this video out there first for us to see the sewing process of the pocket before putting out the main sewing process and the fabric preparation of this dress, which is the video I'm going to be releasing next. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you were able to learn one or two things from this video. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Till next time. Bye bye.